Okay, so today what we're going to talk about is multiplying polynomials. We have had adding and subtracting polynomials, but now we were going to talk about multiplying polynomials. So really what you're going to have to know is how to multiply two binomials, which means two terms. So for example, x minus 3 times x plus 5. Okay, so whenever you are multiplying two binomials, what you're going to do is you're going to use the distributive property. Yay, the distributive property. So first I'm going to show you a monomial times a binomial, which is, let's try this, so 2 times x minus 3. Okay, and with this, what you're going to do is you're going to distribute. Okay, now I like to, you can also show this with box models, I'm sorry. So over here you can say 2 times x minus 3. Okay, so 2 times x is 2x, and then 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So our answer right here is 2x minus 6. Okay, now you can use the same model right here on this side. So go ahead and draw your boxes just like this. And you're going to have x minus 3, but instead of just 2, you're going to have x plus 5. Okay, so then you're going to say x times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. X times 5 is 5x. And then 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. Now, whenever you're multiplying two binomials, the one thing that you're going to have to do is combine like terms right here. So you're going to have x squared and negative 3x plus 5x minus 15. Okay, then you're going to combine like terms right here. X squared plus 2x minus 15. Okay, now what I want us to do, we're finished. We've combined like terms all we can. I want us to do it algebraically. So this is using a box model. I want to look at it doing it algebraically. So x minus 3 times x plus 5. So what you're going to do first is you're going to distribute this x to both terms over here. So x times x is x squared, and notice you have the same thing right here. And then x times 5 is 5x, which is the same thing right here. And then you're going to distribute this negative 3. So negative 3 times x is negative 3x, and then negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. So you notice we have the exact same thing just right here. So x squared plus 2x minus 15. So it doesn't matter either way if you like to do it algebraically or if you like to do it using the model. I like the model. I think it's really cool and it's easy to understand. It lays it out for you and you're able to combine like terms really easily. So this is our multiplying polynomials video. I want us to also talk about what happens whenever you are multiplying. What happens to exponents when you're multiplying? So if you were to multiply x squared times x squared, what you would have. Whenever you're multiplying, the base stays the same. This is called your base. Your base stays the same, and then you add your exponents. So x to the 4th. Okay. Now you're going to have some practice on this coming up whenever we do practice on this. I wanted to go ahead and let you be aware of that. So let's do something like x to the 3rd, 2x to the 3rd times x squared. So what you do first in this case is to multiply your coefficients, which is 2, and then add your exponents, which is 5. Okay, I hope this helps. This is multiplying polynomials, and we will be doing more practice on this tomorrow in class. Thanks.